So today we are talking about newly launched BlackBerry Classic here. So BlackBerry Classic, with BlackBerry Classic we have iconic and legendary BlackBerry keyboard is back. So with navigation keys, now we have all complete 35 keys of in the keypad, with the menu key, home key, and the optical trackpad, back key, and the end key. So in BlackBerry Classic, the device is completely little bit heavy device. So the weight of the device is 178 grams. So it's a robust and a durable device. So this device is mainly for those consumer segment who likes to use his device for more than 2, 3, 4 years. So we can use this device more than 2, 3, 4 years. So if we talk about the hardware features or about the build of the device, this device also comes with the stainless steel guard for the device. Now we have text surface, BlackBerry iconic text surface for this device, and little bit curved. So with this curved surface we can easily hold this device and it's not slippery. So on the top of the device we have on off button and the normal 3.5 mm jack. On the right hand side of the device we have volume rockers with the mute key. On the bayonet of the device we have a multi-speciality port, so we can connect our computer with this device. We can also connect charger, we can connect HDMI cable, so that we can connect this device to the computer, to the LCD or a bigger screen. We have two openings for the speaker. On the left hand side of the device we have the slot for the SIM card and for the micro SD card. So in every BlackBerry Classic box we have a pin already in the box, so we can put on the hole and automatically the SIM trays get outside, and we can insert our SIM card and the micro SD card. So for the SIM card, Classic Sport Nano SIM card, and for the micro SD card we have up to 128 GB Sport for the micro SD card. So this is the hardware feature and the build quality of the device. If we're talking about the specifications, so this device comes with 1.5 GHz of dual core processor with GPU support, 2 GB of RAM, and on the back of the device we have 8 megapixel camera with a flashlight completely. On the front side of the device we have 3.5 inches of display with Gorilla Glass Corning. So we have this device, we have the screen is screen resistant little bit. So let's talk about the keyboard part of this device. So this is one of the best keyboard of the BlackBerry ever have. So in this device we don't need to press any screen for if you want to unlock the device. I just have to press any of the key, and now I can press U and enter to unlock the device, and automatically my devices get unlocked. So with the support of BlackBerry OS 10.3.1, now we have all 26 keys are for the shortcuts and for the speed dial. So for example, if I want to open my Twitter account, so in other devices I just have to scroll on the screen and then I just have to press on the Twitter icon. So in this device, if I am on the home screen, I just have to tap and hold on the T icon and automatically my Twitter account is get activated. So here all the 26 keys I can assign for application shortcuts as well as for the speed dials, for locking or unlocking the device, for toggling our profile, or for quick compose. Quick compose is a very tricky thing. So here if I want to compose a mail to my colleague, for example it's Adil, so I just have to tap and hold the J icon and it will ask from me from the home screen. I just have to tap on the J icon and yes, and here I can set quick compose. For example, I want to make a Gmail quick, and here I can set, so this is Adil and I can set this. So now next time if I press on the J icon, automatically my quick compose is opens and I can start typing. So here we have 4 main things with the keyboard. First, I can open any application with the help of shortcuts. I can assign any speed dial. I can lock or unlock the device, or I can quick compose settings. So now talk about the navigation keys, which comes first in BB10 device, any BB10 device. So here it's the home screen of the device. So This is the phone key, this is the menu key, this is optical trackpad, this is back key, and this is end key. So here, if I want to call someone, I just have to press the phone key, and automatically my phone call will comes, my call history, my contacts, and my dialing pad. I can call from here. The back button works for any application. If you have any application open, you just have to back, and you always get one step back. So if you want to close this application completely, you just have to press the back button again, and this your opened application will be closed. So an optical trackpad in completely OS 10.3.1, this optical trackpad is completely synchronized with any application, and with every application is completely OS part. So you can scroll from here, you can go your other home screen panels also, you can open your hub from here. So this is the hub part of the BlackBerry. You can scroll with the help of your trackpad, so it works smoothly. So if you want to select something, if you want to go on the top, you just have to press the T, and automatically you get on the top. So all the shortcuts with which we are familiar with our 9900 or the bold series, the curve series, all the shortcuts are completely work with the classic keypad. So if I want to select more than one item here, I just have to press and hold the shift key and swipe down, and automatically all the content is get selected. So again, if I press the back button, automatically unselect all the items. So these are some shortcuts. So back again, one step back, and you go on the home screen again. So if I talk about the end key, so if I open any application, for example I am in BBM, and if I want to close this application, I can press two keys. First, if I want to close the whole application, I just have to press the end key, and automatically I get on the menu screen. So if we take a second example, if I am in the setting part, and in setting I am in accounts or any other, so if I press the back button, I'll go one step back. But if I want to close this completely, I just have to press the end key. So if I want to close assistant application, I can move through my optical trackpad, and when my assistant gets selected, I press again the back key, and my application will be get closed completely. So this is the most familiar and most good part of the navigation pad. Also, if I am on the home screen, and if I want to open the quick settings, I just have to press the menu key, and all my settings comes. So let's talk a little bit more about the menu key. If I am in any settings, for example, if I was in BBM, and if I want to open the 3-dot settings, so I just have to press the menu button, and all my settings have come. Or if I want to get drop down settings, I just have to press and hold the menu key, and all my drop down settings are come aligned. With the help of navigation keys, I don't need to press anywhere on the screen. I can do my complete work with the help of keypad and with the help of navigation keys. So for those person who don't want to touch his device screen, this device is very good for those users. So if we talk about something else, in all the BlackBerry OS 10.3.1 devices, we have lock screen settings also. So this is the lock screen of my device, and I can access all my notifications here. So if I want to see that I have 2 Facebook notifications, 5 BBMs, 1 WhatsApp, 37 emails, and 1 notification. If from the on the lock screen, I can check that the WhatsApp messages from whom I got the message. So I don't need to unlock the device and check the settings. If I want to reply some of my notification, I just have to double tap on the notification, and automatically my notification part is open, and I can reply from there again. So this is the first thing. Second, if we talk about the camera, so this device comes with 8 megapixel of camera and 2 megapixel of front camera. So in BlackBerry OS 10.3.1, BlackBerry made some changes in the camera. So I can show you the camera now. So this is the screen of the camera. Now we have to tap on the center button if I want to take a picture. If I want to change my settings for the front camera, I can just have to press on the icon, and if I want to record a video, I just have to press on the video recording mode, and automatically my pictures get video gets started. So if I want to settings, if I want to show you the settings, I just have to press on the menu icon, and this is complete settings for the camera. So now we have timer, now we have time shift mode, now we have burst mode and the panorama mode. In burst mode we can capture as many pictures as I can. So this is the camera settings. Now I can go to the back. So for example, if I already captured a picture, I just have to tap here and I can use a function like this, and I can directly share from here, and I can directly delete this picture. So I can, if I want to share, I just have to tap on the share and leave here. So now all my accounts are activated here. So with the help of any account, I can share my picture to anyone. I can also edit before sending. So here is a little icon which shows the edit mode. So I can edit this picture before sending, and we call at BlackBerry, this is the dynamic sharing. So we can share any application from anywhere. So this icon shows the home screen, and these dots shows how many active applications, how many active application panes we have. So we can move little bit right. So these are some Android applications which I installed on the device from Amazon App Store and from other One Mobile Market Store or Play Store. So WhatsApp, Hike, Truecaller, and Candy Crush, Subway, these all are Android ported applications. So in this device we got two application store by default. First is the official BlackBerry World, and second is Amazon App Store. So if I want any productive applications like password keeper or the applications which support enterprise or or enhance the productivity of a user, so that he can directly download from the BlackBerry World. The all applications are secured by the BlackBerry Enterprise Server, and the second is Amazon App Store. So from Amazon you can download almost 2 lakhs of Android applications from there, and also all the applications again secured by the BlackBerry Guardian. BlackBerry Guardian actually is a software which inbuilt in the OS 10.3. So any application which you try to install in the device, first you inspect the application and then give you the review about the application. Now it's completely user's choice. You want to download it, you want to install it, or you don't want to install it. It's completely user's choice. So and this is BlackBerry World and App Store. So with the major and the most important part of any BlackBerry device is the browser. So BlackBerry comes with this device with normal HTML5 browser, and we have the highest score till date for any HTML5 browser. So we have the fastest browser till now. So if you talk about the 9900 users who using any bold or curve series devices, so this device with 3x faster browser than the old BB OS 7 devices or legacy devices. So in the browser we have some features which are completely unique. So first, if I go to downloads option, so this icon shows me our save page. So if I don't connected with any network, even Wi-Fi or any mobile data network, I can use these pages on offline reading also. So for example, if I'm on the browser and I want to read this page, I just have to tap on the page and my page is open same like online reading. So I can read completely my page same as I read it on online. With the help of optical trackpad, I have a mouse-like functionality. So my optical trackpad works as a mouse. In second opinion, if I want to read this page and I'm not able to read, I can zoom it. In other devices, I have to scroll left and right to reading completely. But in every BB10 device, in any BlackBerry device, I just have to press the R button and my website is automatically converted into a reader mode. So here, if I zoom my page, then also I can read it in column-wise reading, so that I can easily read complete information from the website. So in BlackBerry, we are focusing on the person who generally use browser for the reading purpose. So you can easily read any page and the longer page for the reader mode of browsing. So if you want to save any page, you just have to tap on the 3-dot icon, or you just have to press the menu key, and your save page information will be automatically get activated. You can save the page. Also we have privacy settings in the device, so you can if you want to make it on, after that your history, your cache and cookies will be not saved in your device, so that nobody can check or nobody can hack your device browser history. So this is the browser, the world's fastest browser till date. So I can on my, after that we have story maker pre-installed from the BlackBerry OS, basic OS 10. So we can make stories with our pictures, and with the help of movies I can change the background music with any personalized like song, and I can use this. So in every BB10 device we have 8 active frames. These frames we called it as active frames because these applications are in minimized mode but still active. So mainly we can open 8 active frames maximum. After 8th, as well as I started opening the 9th one, automatically first one will be get closed. Okay, so next if you talk about the BBM, so we talk about the BBM now. BlackBerry have included channels in the BBM part, so that it's completely like a Facebook page, so that if you subscribe any of the channel, you will get any information which given by the channel. You can see complete information in your channel here. For example, if I subscribe the channel of, for example, BBN, so it's BlackBerry community in India. So I can see all the posts provided by the BBN. I can like them. I can talk to the administrator. So there are so many channels right now. We have more than 5 lakhs channel on the BBM channel screen. So again we have contacts, groups, anything else we're talking about now. So in pictures, BlackBerry OS 10.3, we can change something. For example, if I want to make any picture hide, I just have to tap and hold on the picture, and I can make my picture hide. So now if I swipe down from the top and I click on the hide item, my hide picture will be get automatically hide. So this is a new feature. And second new feature is our maps. So if I tap on the map, so what will happen, now my device shows me the pictures depending upon the location. So for example, if I capture 3 pictures in Noida and 4 pictures in Gurgaon, so if I go to the location setting and I double tap, now my device shows me pictures depending upon the different location. So in this device I have captured only 3 pictures, and the location of the picture is Gurgaon. So I can see all the pictures in the location mode also. So this is also a new feature in BlackBerry OS 10.3. And if we talk about the setting part, if you want to see the settings, this is our settings. And in network and connection, we have everything covered here: mobile network, Wi-Fi. As we talking about the 4G, now our device is 4G ready. So you just have to your device is ready for FD LTE. It's version it's 1800 mAh actually. So when any carrier launch 4G, our device is out of box support for the 4G. So VPN, NFC, it comes with the device, USB and mobile hotspot, internet TV, all the communication, all the Wi-Fi direct also we have with our device, and Miracast feature also. So here is the Wi-Fi direct and Miracast. So everything communication part is completely covered by the BlackBerry here. So next is notification, main volume, accounts. You can configure any email account on the device. So we have some examples, like if I want to configure email account, so you can create your work account, you can configure Microsoft Active Synchronization, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, IMAP, POP, IBM Not Server. So every server is configured here, so we can configure easily. Apart from that, we can also configure our third-party app stores like Play Store. We can configure the Amazon App Store also. So quick settings, shortcut and speed dial, display. So here the display settings. Normally in devices we can change our font size, we can change brightness level, we can change virtual keyboard settings. So these are some features of BlackBerry Classic. So if we talk about the price, so this device comes with 31,990 MRP on the box, So you will get this device on this price. We have also connected with Snapdeal, so you can get you can also buy this device from Snapdeal, and you will get almost 3 offers. The first, you will get 5,000 vouchers, I think, from Snapdeal. You can also get 4,500 rupees cashback if you are a bold user or 9900 user. You can also get a 10,000 worth rupees cash vouchers or something like this from yatra.com if you purchase your device from Snapdeal. So this is a if you ask me about the device, personally I really like this device because it's a little bit heavy. As I again told you, it's always I get to know that yes, my device is in my hand and it's complete. It's a robust device. And